Good morning, students. In this video we will discuss about deficiency disease. Deficiency disease are the disease which are caused due to deficiency of some nutrients in our food. For example, protein deficiency disease, which are caused due to deficiency of proteins in our diet. Carbohydrate deficiency disease, the disease which are caused due to carbohydrate deficiency in our food. Vitamin deficiency disease, these diseases are caused due to deficient amount of vitamins in our food. Mineral deficiency disease, these are the diseases which are caused due to deficiency of minerals in our diet. So protein deficiency, malnutrition or disease. Here are two diseases, kwashiorkor and marasmus, which are caused due to protein deficiency. These two diseases are caused in infants. In kwashiorkor, this disease is mainly caused due to calorie intake of protein deficiency, and marasmus is caused due to overall lack of calories in infants. Carbohydrate deficiency disease. If we intake less amount of carbohydrate that is required by our body, so it may cause acidosis, ketosis, hypoglycemia, constipation and mood swing. Now, deficiency due to vitamins. If we intake a special type of nutrient lack in our diet, then it may cause night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, hemorrhage, etc. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Beriberi is caused due to vitamin B deficiency, and vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy disease. Rickets and osteoporosis is caused due to vitamin D deficiency, and hemorrhage disease is caused due to vitamin K deficiency. Now, deficiency due to minerals. A specific type of mineral deficiency cause a specific disease in our body. So here are some, like if we don't have calcium in our food, then it may cause rickets, osteoporosis or teeth disease. Magnesia, the lack of magnesia in our food may cause irritability, tetany, hyperreflexia and occasionally hyporeflexia. Iron deficiency in our food may cause anemia. Iodine deficiency cause goiter, hypothyroidism, low IQ power. Hearing and speech defects, eye defects, cretinous IUD. And fluorine deficiency in our food may cause dental caries. Friends, think if we don't have healthy food in our diet, then it will may cause illness. Some people thought that they don't have enough time for healthy eating. Then they invite disease. So those who think they have no time for healthy eating will sooner or later have to find some time for illness. Thank you.